Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Ayesha and our today's topic is concrete noun and abstract noun. Concrete noun. Concrete noun refers to those nouns that we can see or touch. A concrete noun is something you can touch, see, hear, smell, taste. For example, apple. Apple is a concrete noun. Book. Book is a concrete noun. Tree. Tree is a concrete noun. Bag. Bag is a concrete noun. Burger. Burger is a concrete noun. Cold drinks. Cold drinks is a concrete noun. Carrot. Carrot is also a concrete noun. Spoon. Spoon is also a concrete noun. So now we will learn about abstract noun. Abstract noun refers to those nouns that we cannot see or touch but we can think of, hear and feel. Examples are idea. We can think of idea, peace, love, happy, anger, gossips,